at me, blink, 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 blink at me, straight up blink at me. I don't think machines should blink, 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 blink at me, straight up blink at me. The dishwasher made a noise last night, not a normal noise, a decision-making noise, like it figured something out and didn't wanna tell me. I pretended not to notice, but I noticed. One beep for yes, two beeps for betrayal. It beeped 3 times, I don't even know what that means. Dishwasher's blocking something, I swear it is, I swear it is. Dishwasher's blocking something, and I'm just, yeah, going with it. I did not put them like that. Who stacks forks vertically? That's a dominance move, it's challenging me. I respect the confidence, honestly. It washed 1 cup, only 1. What does that say about me? What does it want me to understand? Dishwasher's blocking something, I swear it is, I swear it is. Oh, dishwasher's blocking something, probably nothing good. If it wheels itself across the kitchen floor one day, I'm not stopping it. Turn to right, we're all just appliances anyway. Dishwasher's blocking something, and honestly kinda proud of it.